Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Overall, having a great start of this weekend. It's crypto's not doing that well, but all right, doesn't matter that much, right? But in this video, we'll talk about Ethereum, and either there are some things we need to talk about fundamentally, but also technically. It's right now we had some bearish confirmations, and there are maybe some conclusions we have to make based on what has happened in the price. But apart from that, I'll also tell you what I expect for this weekend, what I expect for the beginning of next week, technically. Yeah, let's get right into it. Ethereum itself, if we take a look at the network, is actually it has actually fallen down quite a bit with like $1.5 billion, which sounds like a lot, but in Ethereum it's not that much. But you can see that uptrend that started at the beginning of January in the total value locked of the Ethereum network has stopped, at least for now, and that is together, of course, also with this big drop in price, since a lot of the total value locked is locked up in Ether. But still, it's a sign, right? And then you also, there are multiple things. What happened 2 days ago is that Kraken had to shut down their staking service, which most of you know. But since then, there has also been this fear about continued regulation, especially in the US. That's bearish for crypto. And then kind of to top it off, we have the dollar strength index, which now it's weekend, so the market has closed on that. But until the end of the week, it was actually fairly bullish, and we were actually respecting some bullish indicators. So if the dollar strength index has actually reversed, that would be quite devastating for crypto. I'm not saying it is already devastating, but it could be very devastating. And it's just we have to keep a close tab on this and monitor this to be able to tell better what crypto will do in reaction to that. But because of all of those factors we just talked about, what we did in terms of the price is yesterday when I did my analysis in the morning, there still was a little bit of hope that we would be able to hold this main support level at 1540, but we gave that up pretty soon. Like in the afternoon, we gave that up. You can see that we found some brief support at the 0.382 fib. Very brief, took a break retest, and then we dropped down to our next support level around 1500, which yesterday we talked about that already, that there was quite a significant chance that would happen. Right, because well, you could see that the bullish momentum was already lost yesterday morning, and what we were hoping for is that we could still get some sort of a consolidation. It's also what I'm hoping for right now, but it seems like we have to continue falling for now, and I think the same right now. I mean, if you take a look at Ethereum, technically we found support at 1500, which is great, very strong support level, but there's so much resistance and there's so much bearish. So many bearish fundamentals in the market that I think it's more likely this weekend that we'll find resistance somewhere between 1527 and 1540, and that will continue dropping towards this level, which typically ranges from 1480 to 1440. It's a very big support level. We'll probably find some more support at 1475 at first, and I think ultimately we'll find some sort of a consolidation or support between 1450 and 1500 ultimately. I think we'll be able to support there until, and that could be our last savior, until next week Tuesday, when we'll have inflation rates for the US. And those are going to be very important. First of all, they're going to be important for the dollar strength index. It's going to probably decide whether this will actually continue going up or whether this was just some bullish momentum in a bigger downtrend. And that also will have its effect on crypto and on Ethereum. If the inflation rate is actually way lower than expected, or if it's still dropping down severely, then we at least know that the economic circumstances are good for crypto, and then perhaps we can start talking about consolidating and maybe even an uptrend. But that also depends on some other fundamentals like we talked about in this video. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, technically, as I said, I think we'll find resistance between 1530, 1540, start to drop down, find some more support at 1500, ultimately drop down a little bit lower. But then I do think we will consolidate there, and we will wait until next week, Tuesday. That's my take on Ethereum for now. Go enjoy your weekend. Take care, and bye.